these from Sainsbury's. They are vegan, and also these vegetarian sausages, they are also suitable for vegans as well, as it says on the box. I'm only going to make these for David because they actually really taste meat-like, which I'm not a big fan of, but he likes it, and it's a great option if you like the taste of meat and you are on the hunt for some vegan version of the sausages. These are not strict part of the English breakfast, but I do love to add some tomato and avocado slices to the side, so I'm going to slice these up as well and will go on the plate. As for the egg replacement, I got some tofu, and I'm going to make them look like scrambled eggs. With a few spices, they will actually really, the taste will very much resemble to scrambled eggs as well. So we'll have a go with that. And then for the bread and for the toast part, I have some rye bread, which I really love, and I'm going to toast these, and we'll have this olive spread as a butter replacement. And another thing I love adding is spinach. So I like to steam the spinach with some garlic, and that just tastes amazing, and I will have it as a side as well. Forgot about the baked beans. I mean, of course, you don't have English breakfast without the baked beans, and I am just going to heat this up. This is from M&S, but the Heinz version is also good, and I'm just going to add a little bit of chili to make it a bit more spicy.